In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a department in Zoho Desk. This is useful when you're reorganizing your support structure or removing departments you no longer need. Start by logging into your Zoho Desk account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon to open Setup. From the Setup menu, select Organization. Inside the Organization settings, click on Departments. This section shows all the departments currently active in your Zoho Desk account. Take a moment to locate the department you want to remove. When you find it, hover over the department name and look for the toggle switch. Clicking this toggle begins the process of disabling the department. Zoho Desk will now display a confirmation window to protect your data. At this stage, you will be asked to transfer any agents and email settings linked to that department. Choose another active department as the destination so nothing important is lost. Once you've selected the correct department, click Transfer and Disable. After confirming, the department will be successfully disabled and removed from active use. And that's it. You've safely deleted a department in Zoho Desk while keeping your agents and settings intact. This helps keep your help desk clean, organized, and running efficiently. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out more Zoho Desk tutorials.